Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to cold start a push lawnmower, or specifically an Alco Silver 520BR with a Briggs & Stratton 650E series engine. So yeah, let's start off by checking the fuel, which is just a little cap here. That's good. Then next you're going to check your oil. Sorry if you can't hear me very well because it's quite windy here in Norfolk today. That's good, I don't know if you guys can see, but that oil level's good. Just do that back up. Now this lawnmower doesn't have a primer, but there are quite a lot of mowers which will. It would probably be like round here to prime it, but yeah, what you do now is you've got your throttle here, so right now it's just on idle. Now if you push it all the way down onto full throttle or choke, that'll help you start it for a cold start. And here you pull back this handle and that'll basically well, when you let go of it, that turns it off and that's on. So let's try and cold start it now. I'm not sure if it will go or if it will, how easily it will go. So yeah, let's try and start it. Right, here we go guys, let's now start it up. I just had to go get the tripod because it would have shaken about, or the camera would have shaken about if I just had left it, or just how I held it while I was trying to start it. So yeah, let's see if it'll start up. So guys, this is where the video is going to end. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing. And yeah, bye for now.